Yeah, it's not right for churches to center many programs around the discipleship of children, particularly in an age-segregated way. And the reason or a primary reason why that's not a good idea, is it gives the illusion that the church has the ability to have the influence that has actually been given to parents. And even if the church wanted to, the church couldn't. Well, why not? Simple math. Parents have the hours. Parents have the God-given influence that nobody, even well-meaning people in other institutions, educational institutions, can't take the place of parents because of simple math, and neither can churches.